Hello everybody. How you all doing? Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard man? Oh no pretty? Okay. Welcome you all, my new subscribers. Thank you for tuning in to West Indian Delights and the Jamaican Cooking Show. Welcome to my whole subscribers, all those that were there, that started the journey with me. I am now at 60 subscribers, and let me say manners and respect to you all. 60 and counting. Thank you, love you all. Thank you. Now today, I know now look and say I wish I do green bush and something, but today I'm not gonna cook. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you all something that I've used health-wise, health benefits. So I'm just doing my maybe a little weekly or 2 week supply for myself. So I just wanna highlight to you all how you can go about using it, getting some benefits from it, showing you all how you prepare it, because it's all over the internet. Soursop leaf, or so I say bush because this is the stem and the leaf together. It is all over. I know the benefits of it from original, not since recently Google and all of them stuff. I know the benefits of it, and I use it almost every day. I use it on a regular basis. Now this is the soursop bush, leaves and stalk and everything. This is like almost when you just break it from a small branch from the tree, and this is when you break it from the tree like this, you leave it until you have to leave it in the sun till get right in till you see it start coming like this. We call it quail. I don't know if I the exact words, but almost like you're getting it dry. So it's quail. So get right in so you have it something look like this. You have to get it like this before you start boiling it. So this is the first where you got it from the tree. You bring it to this, like right here. All of it is not, but like right here. So you notice the leaves, they're kind of like the quail, they're limp. Right. Now, I've showed you how it's supposed to look. You put it in the sun for probably about a day, but you put it in a paper bag or something, somewhere where it's hot, where it can get a little bit, dehydrated. Okay. Now, you boil it. You're gonna leave it to boil. Get right in. You're gonna leave it to boil. I've done a good amount, because I store it in my refrigerator, which you have to do. And this is what it looks like when you boil it for 1 hour and leave it overnight to steep. This is what it looks like. This is what the green, remember this is it now, remember it was like this before, and then when you boil it, leave it to steep overnight. That's how it comes. Now I want to show you the color of the liquid. This is the color. This is when you leave it overnight to steep, this is the color that it gets. And you will not derive any benefit from it unless you do it like this and have it at this color family. It can be used as a tea, regular tea, iced tea. But listen to me. It's not just a regular, it's not just a normal tea. It is for the building. It is for the refurbishing. Yeah, refurbishing of your nerves, especially people who work a lot, people who have hectic lifestyle, people who can't sleep, who have sleep problem, I think it's insomnia or something. This is capital for you. This, you can't sleep at night and you start drinking this, there you go. It relaxes the body. All the nerve ending, people, family, they say we have how many trillion nerve ending inside our body. Sometimes them start to act up, pick up, your body, you feel your body crawling. So I'm just gonna show you. You get it and you get it like this. You can use it as your regular cup of tea. You can put your sugar in there, and you can use it also as iced tea. You chill it and you put it as iced tea. Now look at this. You can also use milk. And you can just use it as a drink. You refrigerate it. When I do it like this, I put it in my refrigerator, because if you don't refrigerate it, after a time it will get like have a sour look. So you put in your milk. When you put in your milk, this is how it looks. And you can have it either cold or hot. And this is it with milk. This is it without milk. You can add your sugar or you cannot add sugar, depending on you. It depends on you. Normally, I rarely add sugar, right? You drink this, starting out, you drink 1 of this cup. If your nerves is like really battered, really weak, and you want to get your nerves starting repaired, you drink this 3 times per day, morning, in the middle, like you're doing your medication, and before bed at night. And if you're taking it with the milk, it's even better because it relaxes the nervous system. It's like a tranquilizer. Mind you, if you're gonna drive, don't drink it because it makes it like shut down your whole system and puts you to sleep. It's like a trunk. If your nerve is extra weak, extra battered, and you're gonna drive, don't drink it because it's gonna shut down your system. It's gonna put you to sleep for a long period if your nerves is that weak. It works on the nerves. It repairs all those nerve endings that have been battered, weak, and everything. So all you out there who are suffering from sleep, you have an hectic day, or you're an hectic person who had 2-3 jobs, you need to get yourself some. They have it in the tea bags, but I don't know about them because I've never tried them. I don't know if you'll get the strength, because when you do it like this, you get the stalk part and everything. So you get the full strength. I don't know about the tea bags, but I know they are in tea bag form and it's in the supermarket. So family, this is my little supply that I've done. And I'm straining it off, trying to get it into my refrigerator. And I think it would be so refreshing to show you all. Somebody must out there viewing this video, would like to know it's Soursop leaf tea or Soursop leaf drink, whatever. But listen to me, you try this, especially if you're a person that is tired, hardworking, you're having nervous problems, you're having sleep problems, you try it. But remember, you've got to boil it until it comes to this color, red like this, or even red, darker red than this. Listen to me, family. This is it. It has no bitter taste. It has no bad taste. It's just mild, and I can drink some for you, and I'm not gonna try to put on or to take off, because this is, sometimes I come off the road and I'm feeling tired, I just drink some as water. It's in my fridge. So I'm gonna drink this down for you all right now, because this is my like before bed serving. One of this 3 times per day for just starters. Remember, it tranquilizes you, it puts you to sleep for hours. Whilst you're sleeping, your nerves ending are being repaired. If you want to do it with the milk, feel free. I showed you the both versions. Now family, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with a friend, with a family, especially older people that are up in age. Young people might not want to try this, because you know them kind of hesitant towards, herbs and bush and all them something. But please share this video. Somebody's out there that needs to hear the benefit that this offer. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. Thank you again for making it West Indian Delights. Give the videos a thumbs up, and remember, you all tried this. It is for your nerves, and don't take what I have said about it. Google it. There are other benefits, but I am in no position to say anything about those benefits. I know it repairs the nervous system. This is the bush. And if you go back onto the channel, you'll see where a few weeks or a few videos prior, I've done the Soursop juice. So you'll see the fruit. This is the branch from it. So you see the fruit, what the fruit looks like, what the juice look like. Now this is the tea from the branch. Remember now, I still Debbie from down a yard, getting you in and a little health benefits. Yeah man, Debbie from down a yard again. Boop.